Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Hayati and to all my classmates that will be watching this video later on. My name is Mohd Akasyah. I am from class EH2204J and today I'm presenting alone because the number in this class is odd, but let that aside and jump straight into the presentation. So today I'm presenting my problem solution for tutorial 7, which is I obtained from a YouTube video, and the question goes by: in the following network, manually level your resources so that you may not use more than 9 leverage per day at any time. So as you guys can notice, this problem is very much alike to the one example given by Madam Hayati in her lecture video. So let's just treat this as a little bit of revision for us. Okay, so firstly, to solve this problem, we need to draw this Aeon diagram. As you guys can know, from this Aeon diagram, we can identify the critical path of the project. A little tips in identifying the critical path. So the critical path in a project will be the one that has no slack in it. Since it has no slack, meaning the delaying an activities or crashing an activities in that path will have an effect in the duration of the project completion. Okay, so from the Aeon diagram, if you notice there is an arrow that I bolded that represent the critical path, which is the A, C, F, and G. Okay, so now that we have drawn the Aeon diagram, it's turn to draw the ES loading chart. So in this chart, there will be activities and then there will be days and total leverage. Let me first explain the shading of the cell. So the peach shade represent the critical activities. The cell shaded blue represent the non-critical activities, and the cell shaded gray represent the slack in these activities, and the green shaded is the one that already fulfill our condition, and the red is the one that um still yet to fulfill the condition, which is more than 9. So how do we make it fulfill our condition? So we do that by doing the resource leveling. So in order for us to do the resource leveling, we first need to identify which activity that has a slack in it. So you can see the one with the gray shaded cell is activity E, D, C, or B. So you can either choose one of these activity to relocate their resources. So the one that I did here is I did relocate the resource of activity E on the day of 7 and 8 to day 12 and 13. So by doing this, we can reduce the resource use in day 7 and 8 by increasing the day of resource use in day 12 and 13. So let's go to the last slide. And as you can see in this last slide, we finally fulfill the condition that no days is using a resource more than 9. So that's how you do this problem. I hope that you guys can understand my very simple explanation, and that's all for me. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.